Hello, welcome to Stackable, the all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with a WordPress block editor. In this video, we will be showing you how to use one of Stackable's premium features, which is custom fields. What are custom fields? In WordPress, you can add various additional data to your posts and pages by using custom fields. Custom fields can also be used to store your own data and then display it on your website later on. With that in mind, Stackable Custom Fields allows you to add small pieces of content, such as your contact email, phone number, and more, which you can then use across your website. Stackable Custom Fields are site-wide and are not embedded in individual posts and pages. Custom fields can be used anywhere that you can use dynamic content, such as image sources, text, or button links. In Stackable, only the administrator role, which is the person who has manage options privileges, can add or remove custom fields. However, you can assign other roles, for example the editor, as managers for the custom fields. Given that, managers can access the Fields menu in their WordPress dashboards, and they can only change the values of custom fields. How to add Stackable custom fields? The first thing you need to do is to enable the custom fields. To enable Stackable custom fields, navigate to the Stackable settings in the WordPress dashboard. From there, just scroll until you see the custom field settings. Simply toggle it on to enable it. After enabling it, refresh the page and you will see the Fields tab in your dashboard. Now that we've enabled it, we'll need to add our own custom fields. To do this, navigate to the Fields tab, which you will see here on the side. Click on Add Field and fill it up accordingly. The field types you can add are text, number, URL, date, and time. In this example, let's build a website for a real estate broker, which includes information such as their contact details and the number of houses they've sold. First, add a text field for an email address. Simply select text as the field type, and then put email address as the field name. The field slug will be automatically made. Then just click on Save Field. After adding the custom field, you will need to assign a value to it. Note that the managers you've assigned will be able to input values as well. Click on Save Changes to save the values. We will do the same for other information such as the phone number and listing website. Since we're done populating our custom fields, we can now use them in our blocks as dynamic content. How to use Stackable custom fields in your content. We've already went ahead and built the homepage of a real estate broker's website, so let's navigate to the page titled Home. Here, you'll see a hero section with a short description about Jessica Suarez, the real estate broker. As we scroll down, we'll see the statistics section where we'll later use custom fields to input some data. Then next, we have the current listings, and then the page ends with a call to action section wherein we can get Jessica's contact information using custom fields. Let's start with the hero section since there's a small part here with Jessica's contact details. Click on the text field beside the mobile icon, and then click on the dynamic content icon on the toolbar. You can find the fields that we created earlier under the site source area. Do the same for the email address. Afterwards, notice how the short description doesn't specify the exact number of developments sold. What we can do is to get the data using custom fields so that it will remain updated if ever there are changes. Now that we're done with the hero section, let's scroll down to the part of the site which shows Jessica's statistics. As you can see here, we have here some information such as how many developments she sold, how many clients she's worked with, and how many 5-star reviews she has. So we'll do the same thing here by clicking on the dynamic content icon, choose sites for the dynamic source, and look for the correct field. This is one of the best examples for the custom fields feature, because considering that this information will constantly change and can be found throughout the whole website, it will save us some time attempting to change all the data in other pages. Afterwards, let's go to the CTA section and do the same thing for the contact information section. The best thing about this is that whenever we update the custom fields, the new values will be reflected automatically in the website. This is how to use Stackable Custom Fields feature. With this capability, you can easily add small pieces of content which you can use across your blocks. This saves a lot of time and effort. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you need more information regarding Stackable, feel free to join our Facebook community or visit our website. We'll link them down below.